Hello friends, welcome to the binary options trading profitable strategy day 4. I have already made 3 videos previously. You can watch that too, and if you don't have an account on IQ Option, I have given the link in the description. You can sign up for IQ Option platform and you can get a $10,000 free practice account. So let's start our strategy. So I am trading in a consistent way to show you how binary options can be profitable if you trade consistently using similar strategies. So today I will be explaining each and everything that you need to know. So firstly, we are going to select candle type Heikin Ashi. This will show us a clear trend. Similarly, we will select a 1 minute time frame. Our expiration time would be 1 minute and our initial investment would be $10. Watch this video till the end if you really want to know how this strategy actually works. So as you can see, we have 10-second purchase time. Now the previous candle is showing red, that means the market is going down and we are going to invest our $10 in lower. So no matter if we lose in this trade, we'll make another trade according to our money management strategy. I'll be explaining each and everything, so please keep on watching this video. So let's wait this trade to close. So we made a profit on this trade. Now we are going to make another trade on AUD JPY. So we'll use same thing here. So previous candle was red, so our trade would be on lower. And let me make a trade first. We have 12-second purchase time remaining. So let it go a little bit up and we'll immediately make a trade. So we made a trade. Now what happens if we lose in this trade? I'm going to explain after this. Let's see what happens in this trade. We made a loss in this trade, but that doesn't affect our strategy. Now we'll go to another currency pair, and that will be EURCAD. Now this time we'll invest $30. As you can see, previous candle was red, so we'll trade on lower, but let it go a little bit up immediately, and then we'll make a trade like this. So now let's wait for this trade to close and then I will explain the strategy furthermore. For now I will open another currency pair too. So this time we have made on EURCAD. So our next would be EUR and ZD. So we made a profit on this trade. Our total profit is $28.80. Our previous loss was $10, so we have covered our previous loss, that was $10, and $18.80 profit. So now again we will invest $10 because we have already covered our loss. So previous candle was blue, that means we are going to trade on higher. So let's wait to go it immediately down. So it didn't went, but still I am going to make a trade. So we do not stop, we keep on trading. So what would happen if I had made a loss on this trade? I would have lost $30. My total loss would be 30 plus 10, $40, and then I would have invested $90 here. And then if I made a loss of $90 here, then I would stop trading for that day. So my total loss would be $130. So my targeted profit would always be $260, 1:2 profit risk to reward ratio. My risk would be $130 and my profit would be $260. You can do this by multiplying these figures or reducing this figure, it's up to you. So for now we have made a loss of $10. Now in another currency pair, that would be Euro NZD. After Euro NZD there is GBP CAD. So we'll make a trade on higher. So we were not able to make a trade here because purchase time was over. So as I was saying, if we have lose $90 here, then we would stop trading for that day, and another day we would start trading in similar manner. So for now, in this case we made a profit of 28.80, but again we made a loss at here $10, so our investment would be $30. So this would be our money management strategy always. So let me make a trade on this. So previous candle was blue, that means we are going to go on higher. Just we'll wait for if it would come immediately down, then we'll make a trade. If not, then also we are going to make a trade. So that was a good place for making a trade. Now let's see what happens in this trade. So if I made loss of $30 in this trade, then my another investment would be $90. So if you trade on consistent basis by using similar style or strategy, then you can become successful in long run. But if you just come and directly invest some amount of money and lose it or win a good amount of money for one day, then that is not going to work, and you'll end up shouting like binary options is a scam. So I made a loss of $30 here, so I'll select another currency pair here. Now here I would invest $90. So if it comes immediately down, then I'm going to make a trade. So I made a trade, but it was too high, but let's see what happens. One thing is for sure, that you cannot be profitable each and every day while trading binary options. That's why you need to target 1:3 loss to profit ratio while trading binary options. So now let's see what happens in this trade. It seems too risky. Okay, so see, in final second I made a loss, but that is not a big thing. Now at this time we should stop our trading. So see, if you see videos of binary options, you keep on seeing that people are making profits only, and that's not the reality of the binary options. Profit and loss both are the reality of the binary options. So in today's video I'm going to be fair and post this video to make you know that loss is also a part of trading binary options. So if you don't have an account on IK Option, please do sign up through the link that I have provided in the description of this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching this video. I'll come up with another video by using same strategy on day 5. Thank you. Bye bye.